Hello and welcome. This is a video guide on how to make money on Flow Extra. Now, briefly, I will give you a rundown of what Flow Extra is really all about, the aim of Flow Extra. Then, before we now look at how it works and everything you have to know. Now, let's look at it this way. You agree with me that most bloggers on the internet today, what they just do is them making the money. You read the news, you read the articles, they are the ones making the money alone. But with Flow Extra, this is not the case. The reader is also given the opportunity to be making money, real money, while also reading the news. You have been given the opportunity to earn as you read, to also earn as you refer people. So you see, so it's a real platform for you to make money as a student or as a worker. In fact, for every person. So it's an opportunity and an avenue to make money, unlike other blogs or other bloggers that just earn the money alone. That's basically what Flow Extra is all about. Giving the people or the readers an avenue to earn as they read, as they also spend their data. They are being given opportunities to also earn with it. Now, let's see how it all goes. Now, if you have been registered with a fee of 2,500 naira, that's the registration fee, and mind you can be earning 5,000 naira a week, more than 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira a week, with just a registration fee of 2,500 naira. So you see, so it's really a big gain. Now let's go further to highlight few things to you. Now I want to log in. You see there, I want to log in. Let me show you a few things. Now I have to put in login details. After putting the login details, click the login. This is, as you can see over here, my dashboard. This is everything, and this is how it looks like. Okay, now I'll also show you how to read news and how the news reading also works. Okay, now if you check here, you'll see that there's something written FAE. It's FAE currency, and below it you see 17,720 FAE currency. That's my current earning, and that's the earning. Okay, I didn't just achieve this at a particular day. Now, how do you get this FAE currency? First, it's through your daily login. Every day you log in to the website, you are given 100 FAE currency. If you log in a day, you are given 100 FAE currency. If you log in throughout the 31 days, you are being given, that's about 3,000 FAE, 3,100 or something FAE currency. That's for logging alone. That's for logging in daily alone. Then we also have what they call sponsored posts. Now let me show you. If you check here, you see a place written sponsored post. If you click the sponsored post, I make the posts. You are being given every day. You are also given each day you make the post. You are given 100 FAE currency, which means that you are having like 6,000 FAE currency, 6,000 plus FAE currency a month, 6,000 plus FAE currency a month for just doing two tasks: logging in and sharing sponsored posts daily. And mind you, you have to be sharing the sponsored post daily for you to earn without missing a day. Because the withdrawal is once in a month. So you have to make sure you share all the sponsored posts. So next thing there, the news aspect, I will come to that. The news aspect, how the news aspect works. Okay, so now let's look at it that you've done this and you have earned like 6,000 plus. Now let's go to the news, how the news functions. Let's scroll down. Now you see here below, you see category, here written category. Now you see entertainment, sport updates, politics, global news, business news, tech news, health. Now let me say for instance, let me read the global news. This is how you make money while reading news. See, there are several news displayed here. So let's take the first one that says Governor Okowa mounts Supreme Court Judge Oseji. Now let's read more. I click the read more. I click on the read more. Okay. Now as you can see, I've opened the news. This is how it looks like. Are you seeing the news? This is what other bloggers do. While you read their news, they are not paying you for it, but here you get paid. Now, if you check over here, you see your comment. Now, I have to write a comment. This attracts its own money. Yeah. So you have to make sure for it to end well. You have to make sure any news you open and you read, you have to comment alongside with it. Yeah. So after reading the news, I can just say, for instance, let me take this as a sample. Say thanks for the updates, or thanks for the information. Keep the good work. Okay, let's say keep the good work, for instance. Okay, then you click on the submit button. Okay, as you can see here, they said you have successfully submitted your comment. Now, as I've just done this, now doing this alone, I've been paid already. Now let's go and check if it is true. Let's go and check. Let's go back to my dashboard to verify. Now you check. 20 FAE currency has been added to my account, to my wallet already. Are you seeing it? Yeah, that is it. That's how it works. So you keep reading it, and you have, like, you can make up to 300 a day by just reading comments. That just reading news and commenting, you can earn 300 naira a day. 300 naira a day. That's so not 300 naira, 300 FAE currency a day. Then 300 FAE currency a day plus your 100 FAE currency for login and 100 for sponsored posts. That means you are having 500 FAE currency every day times 30 days or 31 days, as the case may be. Now, if it is 30 days, you are having 500 times 30, which is about giving about 15,000 FAE currency. Are you seeing it? You're having close to 15,000 FAE currency every month. Now, that 15,000 FAE currency divided by 2, that's how to get your amount. You divide it by 2. So 15 divided by 2 will be giving you 15 divided by 2 will give you, I think, 7,000 plus. Yeah, 7,000 plus a month. That's for that side. That's in terms of the FAB currency. Then, in terms of referral, every person you refer, you get 1,300 naira. This is not FAE currency again. If you refer one person, he gets 1,300 naira instantly. Instantly, that's what you get paid. That's if you refer 30 persons, 20 persons, you see, you are making the money and you can withdraw it at any time. There's difference between the FAE currency. The FAE currency is once in a month. The referral is anytime you want to place your withdrawal. Yeah, and the minimum withdrawal for that one is 3,900. 3,900 above you can withdraw. Okay, so I think I've been able to give us a thorough guide on how to make this money, instead of us just to be reading news in various websites that they are just making the money and you're not being paid for it. But here you get paid for it. You get paid for everything you are doing. So why not grab this opportunity now and start earning? Support yourself. Support yourself. Don't just be wasting the data on other social media that are not profiting to you. You can be using it. Okay? So thank you and welcome to Flow Extra. Good luck. Thank you.